Just outside of downtown Des Moines, Jackie, nightfall on the river is going to be wrapping up the season.
That's right. Breton Skating Plaza is where you need to be tonight, especially if you love a little country.
There you go. And Travis Marvin's going to be on stage. He's in studio with us right now on the Great Day Sound Stage. Hey, Travis, how are you, my friend?
Good. How y'all doing?
Good. Y'all ready for tonight?
We're actually ready. Yeah, absolutely.
That is cool. Now, who'd you bring with you?
That's my guitar player, Mr. Sam Banks.
Just my guitar player. No.
Yeah, just the guitar player. If I didn't have him, I wouldn't have him.
Cool. So where are you from?
We're actually from a small town called Ottawa, Kansas.
Ottawa, Kansas. How far from, you know the obvious question, how far from the big city?
We're probably from this big city or Kansas?
No, from Kansas City.
Our Kansas City.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right, well, good. Well, welcome to town, and we're just going to turn the stage over to you because we want to hear you play. You sound awesome in warm-up.
All right, this one's called Typically Taken. 1, 2.
Bet his lines are good and his talk is smooth, and I can tell by the way he walks that he's in his groove. She's got it going on tonight in her jeans and her high heel boots. I bet he's gonna take it hard when he gets the news. Maybe one dance, cause she really likes a band that's playing. Any more than that, boy, it'll just be your time you're wasting. She belongs to someone else who's got a heart she won't go breaking. Yeah, she's the kind of woman that's typically taken. Won't be the last time, cause it happens every time she's out. The way she moves across the floor, she sure stands out in the crowd. Can't blame the guys for trying, but I know where it's gonna go down. And I can't help but laugh, 'cause I can just hear her now. Well, maybe one dance, 'cause she really likes a band that's playing. 'Cause any more than that, boy, it'll just be your time you're wasting. 'Cause she belongs to someone else who's got a heart she won't go breaking. Yeah, she's the kind of woman that's typically taken. Oh, I see her smiling, I think it's as cute as can be. Yeah. It's the way that she tells them when she tells them she's leaving with me. Well, maybe one dance, but she really likes a band that's playing. Oh, any more than that, boy, it'll just be your time you're wasting. 'Cause she belongs to someone else who's got a heart she won't go breaking. Yeah, she's the kind of woman. I said she's the kind of woman. Yeah, she's the kind of woman that's typically taken. Oh, yeah, she's taken. That girl is mine, oh mine. Yeah, she's taken.
There you go, folks. Later on tonight, right across from City Hall, right next next to the river. You're going to have a chance to see that man along with Aaron Lewis. Now, I like your hats. Honestly, I like your hats a little better than Aaron's, because Aaron's head just says Hick on the front of his hats. And this one's a lot cool. I love your logo.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, you're going to have this merch available?
Yes, actually, we'll have it available with
And
us.
here's his shirt. I'm going to hold the shirt up here so you have a chance to see this one here. And this is that real soft material shirt, too. So, the gals, you're going to love this shirt.
Yeah, they're super comfortable.
Yeah, so check this one out. So, you have time to play another song for us?
Yeah, you want one?
Wonderful. Yeah, well, take it away, my friend.
Let's do it real quick here. This one's called Why I Like Dreaming. That'll be our brand new single here soon.
This one's
I won't lie and say that I don't love you. Say you are still so far away. 'Cause you can't always do the things you want to. I could hold you now, but I know you can't stay. Guess that's why I lie dreaming, and why I do it all the time. I guess that's why I lie dreaming, 'cause when I'm dreaming, there's no leaving me behind. Just like the look you gave that felt the way I felt. Yeah, I'd like to know if it was meant for me. But as long as you are holding on to someone else, it's meant to be ain't always meant to be. Guess that's why I dream, and why I do it all the time. I guess that's why I dreaming, 'cause when I'm dreaming, there's no leaving me behind. Guess that's why I'm dreaming, and why I do it all the time. I guess that's why I'm dreaming, baby. 'Cause when I'm dreaming, there's no leaving me behind. When I'm dreaming, girl, you'll always be mine. I won't lie and say that I don't love you. Say you are still so far away.
Travis Marvin.
Thank you.
On the Great Day Soundstage, you're going to be able to hear him a little later on tonight. Brighton Skating Plaza, Nightfall in the River. Can't believe it's wrapping up already, Jackie.
I know it's the end of summer, but there's still great things you can do, and that includes tonight. The event starts at, or I should say, opens at 6. Event starts at 7. Are you taking the stage first, there, Travis?
We'll be on stage from 7 to 8.
All right, there you go.
perfect.
Don't miss out, ladies. It
Come
sounds
on.
like you like singing to us, Lou. You're out of this one.
It sounds, and seriously, your shirts are really cool. By the way, his
Thank you.
shirts, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, and and 100% awesome. It says so right on the shirt. So you can pick these up a little later on. Hey, Sam, you did a good job too, my friend.
Thank you, man.
All right, to make
thank
sure
you
you get the
guys.
recognition you so well deserve.
I appreciate that.
Wonderful. All right, buddy. Hey, can you guys play us into commercial break? Is that cool?
Yeah, we can, actually.
All right, man.
1, 2, 3.
See, we're on the edge of something beautiful, falling further in with every touch. Something that's a little more than physical. Now you're calling in love, baby, don't say that.